Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. Today I will unbox an wireless 2-in-1 audio receiver or transmitter. I brought this unit so that I will be able to connect my Yamaha keyboard wirelessly to my Bluetooth earphones so that I will be able to learn my keyboard without any conjunction of wires in between. So this one I brought it here locally and it cost me 695 Mauritian rupees. It's a low latency high quality Bluetooth audio. If it's really a low latency, then definitely it will match my Yamaha. There will be no delay in the music I play or learn and hear it. It will be the music whichever I play. When I press a key, the music will be immediately heard through my headphones if it is really low latency device. This side it's just about bring you the best music to enjoy. On this side it's written, on the other side, wireless 2-in-1 audio receiver or transmitter, your audio transmission master, used for all audio interface device like TV, PC, CD player, iPad, iPhone, etc. Real time, low latency and high quality audio transmission. Here we can add digital keyboards. Receive mode, easily connected via Bluetooth, transmit sound to devices with audio interface. That is, we connect the handset mobile device, transmit the audio from mobile device to this particular device and connect an output cable, that is auxiliary cable, from this device to the speakers, that is active speakers, not passive speakers. Active speakers with good quality amplifier, it will be advisable. Transmit mode, transmit the audio of CD player, TV, PC, online games and other devices to the Bluetooth headset, making you freely enjoy the music. This is the particular function which I bought this for. Here are the certifications which has been written, and bottom there is nothing. Here they just ask us to open this side. Okay, let me do that. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the device and these are the accessories for the device. Here you can see, okay, this is the aux cable and this is the charging cable. This device comes with an inbuilt battery, but we need to check how much battery backup does it give, how many hours can be the voice can be transmitted and received. Okay, there is nothing inside this box, and in this box we have a quite small manual. It is written in one side in Chinese and the other in English. Okay, it is written in English, that's good. So here you can see this is the device. Battery is not replaceable. There is only one button. This is the charging socket. As you can see, there are two ports here. One is transmit and one is receive port. This one is for charging the device. Here you can see the button, that is power on off button. There is no play, pause, stop, volume key, nothing on this device. This device is only a raw transmitter or a raw receiver of the audio. There is no mixing, no equalizer, no volume, nothing. So whenever you want to transmit from this, or whenever you want to use this device as a transmitter, Bluetooth transmitter, then you need to connect the audio input to this transmit port, and whenever you want to receive, that is whenever you want to connect and receive the wireless signal to this device and then connect it to a amplifier or a speaker, active speaker, then you need to connect the auxiliary cable from here to the speakers. But for that what you need to do is, as you can see, I'll power it on. Okay, now the red light is blinking. Okay, now I connected it to the transmit port. When it is connected to transmit port, the red light will blink. When you connect it to the receive port, the blue light blinks. So in this way you can identify whether you are transmitting the audio signals or receiving the audio signals. Hope this video was helpful for you and informative. If this video is helpful for you and little somewhat informative and you like the video, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.